In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero Invoices full 2025 guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where your invoices live in Xero and how to get to them quickly every time. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along without needing any extra tools or steps. Start from your Xero dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you first land in Xero. You'll typically notice tiles for bank accounts, cash flow, and shortcuts to common tasks. Being on the dashboard matters because all the key menus are easy to reach from here, and it ensures you're in the right organization if you manage more than one. If you don't see the usual dashboard panels, double check that you're in the correct business at the top of the screen. Next, look to the main navigation bar and click on Business. This is the central menu for your day-to-day operations. On a desktop, it's usually at the top of the page. On smaller screens, it may be tucked behind a menu icon, so expand that if needed. If the business option isn't visible, your user role may have limited permissions. In that case, ask your administrator to confirm your access. When you open the business menu, you'll see a list of sales-related options, and that's your cue that you're in the right place. From the business menu, click on Invoices. This takes you straight to your Invoices hub. Here, you'll see all your sales invoices grouped by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. The page typically shows columns for contact, invoice number, date, due date, amount, and status with a search bar so you can quickly look up a customer or invoice number. You can sort columns to bring the most relevant items to the top, and you'll also notice filters for date ranges or statuses to narrow down the list. If you manage multiple organizations, check the organization selector at the top of the screen to make sure you're viewing the correct company's invoices. That's the complete path. Dashboard, then business, then invoices. A couple of final tips to make this faster in the future. Consider bookmarking the invoices page in your browser once you're there so you can jump straight to it next time. If you've recently created or updated invoices and don't immediately see changes, refresh the page to update the list. And if your screen layout looks slightly different, Xero's 2025 interface may show small visual variations, but the business menu and invoices option remain the same. You now know exactly how to get your Xero invoices. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.